This video is about how I constructed the circuitry for red flashing lights connected to the track of our G-scale model railway. When I first started this project, what I wanted to do was to have a flashing red light powered from the track circuit. Relatively simple. So what I did was I set up the breadboard installation for testing it all, proved it all working on the bench power. Then I built the circuit and then I installed the circuit into the track, but it didn't work. And I had to find out the reason for it and the solution. This is actually the circuit that I put together. It was really very neat. It worked perfectly on the bench, but didn't work on the track. So what I did was I felt that I had to put some more components in, and to get a stable supply on the output for the flashing lights, I needed to use buck power. And this is the buck power converter here. And it still didn't work properly because I brought a temporary supply in from the track and it still didn't work properly. So what I did then was to put a bridge rectifier in here, and that is the DF10344H, that's that piece here. So that now allows me to control the input voltage into the buck power, and then I can use a potentiometer to get exactly the 9 volts out that I need, or 8 volts approximately. Then I go through two 10k ohm resistors here, and then through the final 220 ohm resistor here with a small 47 microfarad capacitor fitted here. So we put this up on the breadboard. We tested it both on the bench and then powered it from the track, and it worked. And then here is the finished article built and assembled onto a little PCB. Now that will go into this little box here. I shall mount this into little tiny plastic feet by using hot glue so that it sits nicely and neatly inside here. Then I can run the power in, and these lights here are only there temporarily for testing, of course, but what we've got is now a little circuitry proven working. It was on the bench testing all day yesterday and it works fine. So now I've got myself a very, I think, reliable circuitry to prove that my little red flashing lights can be fitted onto the track, and I'm now going to install them on a point here where I can see them from the workshop and keep an eye on them, and then after that we'll fit them to the Golden Gate Bridge, which is what the whole project was intended to in the first place. So there you have it, all installed and working, connected to the track, and we've got a time setting of approximately 3 seconds, which is what the 47 microfarad capacitor gives us. Seems to be working very well. And then over here, where we cut the hole in the wall to install the track so that the track can come in and park into the garage area, I fitted 2 permanently running lights which are fixed with a 470 ohm resistor, and that gives me a little indicator also that the track is live. This is what it's all about, making sure that you can see that the track is live and operating. So thanks for watching this video. Click like and ring the bell and subscribe and all that sort of thing, and wait for the next one coming soon.